Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to take you to the most iconic place in Andhra Pradesh, India, the Dolphin's Nose Lighthouse, located on the top of the hill. We are excited to go there. It's still on the way, so let's go and explore more about it. So guys, we are finally here at Lighthouse, Dolphin Nose Lighthouse. You can see this is the lighthouse. We'll go to the top also and show you the view. Now we are going top. We have just removed our shoes because shoes are not allowed to wear inside the lighthouse. So this is the queue to go to the top. So much busy. So still on the queue. You can see inside is the line. We are almost at the top. Alright, we are returning back. Oh my So finally we are here at the top of the lighthouse. Oh my gosh. Finally. This is the view of the Dolphin's Nose Lighthouse. You can see. This lighthouse was built in 1974 to serve as a navigational aid to the ship and the vessels. This lighthouse is not just a lighthouse, but it's also a popular tourist destination. You can see it was too crowded, so I could not record properly from the top. As we walk towards the lighthouse, you can see lighthouse is surrounded by the greenery, so calm, so clean, and the other side incredible view of Bay of Bengal. This is the front view of the lighthouse. View from the back side of the lighthouse. That's incredible, guys. That's so beautiful. I really love this. You can see the used tree. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's a great experience to be here. Probably today it will rain because I can get some raindrops on my skin. Oh my goodness, a breathtaking view. The atmosphere is so peaceful, but it's too crowded on the top of the lighthouse, okay, so I could not vlog there. Thanks for joining me on this tour. I hope you guys also love the stunning views and my vlog. And if you have any question, then please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Meet you on my next adventure, guys. See you.